Hardy and Weinberg realized that dominant and recessive alleles offer variation in a population and that natural selection would act upon that variation, altering the overall frequency of those traits. So they took the altering factor, natural selection, off the table completely and came up with the Hardy-Weinberg principle, or equilibrium, which is a hypothetical state of balance in a population where the frequency of dominant and recessive alleles remains the same from one generation to the next. So, for a population to achieve this balance, there have to be no factors altering its genetic composition. One altering factor is natural selection. Other factors are mutation, where alleles actually change and become a new variety of a certain trait, and migration, where new and maybe different alleles enter or leave the population, causing its composition to change. Finally, a determining factor is the size of the population. A smaller lot has a greater risk of losing alleles from one generation to the next because some organisms don't get to reproduce. This process is called genetic drift. If none of these factors affect a population, the genetic pool remains constant.